Betel berry, also known as betel nut, is a small fruit that is commonly used in traditional medicine to prevent cough and other respiratory issues. To prepare a remedy using betel berry, you will need to first grind the berry into a fine powder. You can do this using a mortar and pestle or a grinder. Once you have ground the betel berry, you can add some honey to the mixture. Honey is known for its soothing properties and can help to make the remedy more palatable. Mix the honey and betel berry powder together until they are well combined. To use the betel berry remedy, take 1 tablespoon of the mixture once a day. You can take it on its own or mix it with a glass of water or juice.